These are definitely for sitting down. Do y'all see this heel? You can bash somebody in their skull with it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a heel collection. I have about 6, maybe 7 heels here. I have 7, well, I have 2 pair of wedges and 5 pair of heels here that I'm going to show you guys. This is not my whole collection. I do think I will be doing this in parts, because if I did every single pair of heels that I have, we might be here all day. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we get into anything, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with the flower name. And yeah, let's get into it now. So I have 5 pair of heels, 2 pair of wedges I'm gonna show you guys today. So first off, I have some Steve Madden heels. These are called the Listen Leopard Satin. I wear a size 9 in women, 8.5, 9 in women, but in heels I do size up, so I will get a 10 sometime, maybe a 9.5, depending. I want to say this about Steve Madden heels: they hurt, right? This is, I want to say, my second pair. They hurt. I don't care what they are, they hurt. I even tried a pair on when I went thrifting and they hurt like hell. Cute as ever, cute. Steve Madden don't care who he rip off, what designer he rip off, he is gonna give you the look for less. Your feet is gonna be where you pay though. That is gonna be the price you pay. So I got these. They're supposed to be like a dupe for the Christian Louboutin ballerina heels, but the reason I got this colorway is because nobody has this colorway but Steve Madden, and it's so cute. I just think it's so cute, and it's so different, and it just gives like grown. It has like a long string that you tie up your leg and your ankle. It is so cute, so pretty. Get into the details. The details, honey, very cute. Hurt like hell. They hurt. I do want to say, I think they retail for like maybe $130, but I got them on sale. They were like maybe $95 on sale, and then I seen a couple weeks ago they went down to like $65. I should have waited, but yeah, these are so cute. Hurt like ever, but I cannot wait to wear these. Like, I cannot wait to wear these. I cannot wait to find somewhere where I could back these out. A time will be had sitting down though. These are definitely for sitting down. For sitting down, baby. You gonna get the look, but you gonna pay. You gonna pay. Your feet gonna hurt. The next pair of heels that I got are from Akira. They actually were on sale. They were 90% off, so I paid like $10 for them. These are them. They're cute. These are them. They're so cute. The fur is a little dented in, but they are so cute. And they have like rhinestones. They also have a lace, like this pretty champagne color, so that you can, you know, wrap it around your leg. So cute. So cute. Very cute. It is a little hot out. It's getting hot. It's summertime, so I don't know if I will be able to wear these now. I mean, you can wear stuff whenever you want, but I think that fur, when you think of fur, you think wintertime. So yeah, I probably will be waiting until winter. But the way that this weather's set up, we might have fall tomorrow. The next pair of heels, the brand is Azalea Wang. I got these from Akira. They were $54.90 to be exact. I actually had one of these since last year, but however, I cannot find them on the website, nor could I find them in store. And I happened to go in store back in maybe like April, and they had them. Mind you, I have been looking for these for a year. This is them. They have like flowers on them. They're so cute. They wrap around your leg, and I have like thick legs, so it looks really nice and it stays up on my leg. Really cute. It has like this champagne color in it, like this light rose gold champagne color mixed with pink. So pretty. My favorite color is pink, and anything with pink is like, and then like the toe is satin, like the toe box is satin. This is so cute. I cannot wait to wear these. I'm a pink girl, so one thing about it, like, if I could find somewhere to wear pink, give it to me. But I have so many heels and I don't be going nowhere, so I think that with all these heels that I've been collecting, it's really gonna make me want to go somewhere. Like, So this summer and forever after that, I want to be outside and I want to wear heels sitting down. I can walk in heels, however, I don't like when my feet hurt. When my feet hurt, oh God, it's just a scary sight, girl. Spooky, honey. Those are those. That's them. These are my two favorite. I was waiting for these. This is why I kind of put this video off specifically for these two. These are the heels, right? The brand is Azalea Wing, right? One pair. This pair I got from Shop Akira. The price was, usually I have it on here. Okay, well, the price usually is approximately, I think I paid $75, I want to say. $75, $80. These were actually in stock when I ordered them. The nude pair that I will show you guys later on was not in stock, so I had to, they pre-ordered them. But these are them. These are so cute. They are burgundy. I do believe these are a dupe for like the Fendi Cinderella heels, I believe they're called, something of that nature. But they're like this pretty wine color. It has like a wrap. I'm unwrapping for days, but it has like this wrap, and you wrap it around this, you wrap it around your legs. And I just love anything that wraps around my legs because I have really pretty legs, might I say myself. It comes with a strap so that you can support your ankles. So you have double support. You have this support, and then when you wrap this around your leg, you're gonna have the support of the wrap. This is so cute. This is what it looks like in the front. It has like its own little design. I will say these run a little small, so I definitely size up, and I don't like my feet hanging off. But this part here is a little tight. As a girl who has like fat feet, this part is a little tight, so I'm so glad that I sized up like this part right here, because it is like leather here, so this part does not move. It's not stretchy, it does not move. So I'm so glad that I did decide to size up on these. But yeah, very cute. Do you see this heel, honey? Do y'all see this heel? You can bash somebody in a skull with this. Do you see this heel? Not to be played with. This means business. This means we're talking business, honey. Yeah, this is business. Love these. I cannot wait to wear these. Oh, baby, when I find me somewhere to go, ain't nobody safe, baby. Nobody ain't safe, girl. Nobody is safe. I cannot wait to wear these. I might not even be safe. I might fall on my face, for real, because they're high. This pair of heels is similar to those. Now these are from the Azalea Wing website because they were on pre-order. So I did order these in April, and they just got to me in the beginning of June. So they took like a month and a half to get to me. But it is just the nude colorway. Same thing, you have the strap to support your ankle, and then you have like the wrap, you have the fabric that you wrap around your leg and you tie up. This is what it looks like in the front. Clear sole, clear bottom. This is what it looks like. Very cute. So yeah. But I can't wait to wear these. Like, I cannot wait to have these on. These are so cute. I need to get a real good fit because I need to take pictures. I have been out my bag for a little bit. I've been doing outfit of the days and like videos and stuff, but I have not taken pictures. So I need to find a real cute fit so I can take some pictures and just like do my big one, you know? Yeah, so I'm real excited to wear these. I cannot wait. Okay, so now let's go on to the wedges. So first off, I got these wedges. They are Fashion Over brand. However, I thrifted them. I do believe they were like under $10, like $9.75. They're just like this. These are so cute. They have the string and you wrap them up your leg. They're so cute. I cannot wait to wear these. Like I said, I love anything that wraps around my legs because my legs are so pretty. So I love them. But this is what they look like. Thrifting has become such a great way to find cute stuff that you might not find anywhere else, and these were under $10. Like, come on, cute, simple, can't wait to wear these. This wedge is nasty wedge. I cannot wait to wear this. Like, do you see this wedge? This wedge is so nasty and it's sturdy. Yeah, I can't wait to wear these, and you can't beat it. I thrifted them for under $10. Come on now. So, you know, like, hello. Yes, we about to shut this shit down. Like, yeah, love these. But yes, now these are the last pair of shoes that I have. These are wedges as well. I got these off the DSW website. However, the brand is Azalea Wing. Azalea Wing be snapping, babe. But this is what they look like when you open a box. It just looks like, whoo, right? It gives a lot, you know. It gives wow. But these are some fur wedges. These are so cute. They're wedges. They're really cute. I did do an unboxing when I first got them on TikTok, so you guys should follow me on TikTok because that's where I do like my unboxing and short form content and do daily outfit of the days. Well, semi-daily. Sometimes I try to do daily. Some days I might skip a couple days, but for the most part, y'all can catch me over there. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok, the girl with a flower name. So yeah. So yeah. This is them. Really cute wedges. Can't wait to wear. They're really comfortable. I did have to size up like 2 sizes because they do run really small. So these are a little big on me, but they run real small and my feet is fat, so yeah. But I got them for like literally like $40. They were on sale. I was like, oh, can't beat that. And they started off like around, I want to say like 80 or something. I don't know how much they started off, but they were on sale. So I'm like, you can't beat that. And I wanted them. I saw them in Akira, but they didn't have my size. So when I found them on DSW's website, I was like, oh, I have to get these. So yeah, these are cute. These are so cute. Like, hello? Like, these are too cute. Like, you can't beat this. Like, come on out. This is stunning. This is cute, but like I said, it is summertime, so I probably will not be wearing those anytime soon. But the way this weather's set up, who knows? Next week it could be snowing, so I might, you know, who knows? Okay guys, so that concludes my heel collection part 1. I will be back for part 2, maybe, but yeah, if I added any more heels, we probably would have been here all day. I have been collecting heels like infinity stones. I have just been seeing any heels thrifting, clearance sales, any type of sales they having, and they got my size, bring them here, you know. So your girl is ready. Whenever it's time to go outside, your girl gonna have them shoes, your girl gonna have them pieces to put on. So I'm really excited. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I don't fall on my face, but yeah, that concludes my video. That is all for right now. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for being here and supporting me. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay up to date and you can know when I get new pieces, and you guys can see my short form content. So make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Join my family. Come stay a while. It's comfortable over here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here.